If you're looking to use Livestorm for your marketing campaigns but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. In this quick Livestorm guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage this powerful tool to elevate your marketing efforts. Stick around until the end because I've got a special bonus offer that will give you exclusive access to a free trial. Livestorm is an all-in-one webinar and virtual event platform, but it's so much more than just a place to host events. It's designed to help businesses like yours boost engagement, generate leads, and track performance seamlessly. The best part? You can use Livestorm for your marketing campaigns completely free from the first link below. So, what makes Livestorm a great tool for marketing? First off, its simplicity. It's easy to set up your campaigns and you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Once you've created your account, the dashboard gives you everything you need at your fingertips. You can set up live webinars, automated sessions, or even on-demand videos to engage your audience at every step of their journey. One of the standout features is Livestorm's ability to integrate with your CRM, email marketing platforms, and analytics tools, making it a solid part of your existing tech stack. This makes it much easier to keep track of your leads and automate your follow-ups. Let's talk about how you can use these integrations in a marketing campaign. For example, let's say you're promoting a new product. With Livestorm, you can create a live event where you showcase that product, answer questions in real time, and then automatically follow up with attendees. After the webinar, you can trigger emails with the recorded video, offer exclusive discounts, or even schedule one-on-one consultations, all based on the behavior and engagement of the attendees. This level of automation makes your marketing campaigns highly effective. Next, Livestorm's analytics are top-notch. You can track who's attending your sessions, how long they're staying, what they're clicking on, and even their questions or feedback. This level of data gives you incredible insight into your audience and lets you fine-tune your campaigns to maximize results. Another key feature is its ability to host multi-session events. You can create a series of sessions that lead your audience through different stages of the buyer's journey. Whether it's awareness, consideration, or decision, you can keep your audience engaged with targeted content at each stage. But here's the kicker. Livestorm doesn't just help you host webinars. It empowers you to convert those webinars into real marketing tools. Let's say you're running a lead generation campaign. After the webinar, you can automatically add attendees to specific segments in your CRM or send personalized follow-up content based on the actions they took during the event. The beauty of this is that it creates a seamless, personalized experience for your prospects. Before we wrap up, remember, you can try Livestorm completely free from the first link below. And when you use that link, you'll get an exclusive bonus, an extended trial to test out all the premium features. So if you're ready to step up your marketing game with Livestorm, go ahead and get started today. I hope this quick guide helps you understand how to make the most out of Livestorm for your campaigns. Don't forget to click the link below to get that exclusive bonus and start using Livestorm to grow your business right now.